Hey class, it is almost week 9 for music appreciation. I hope you're hanging in there. We are on our 3rd week of classical period of music history, which includes Haydn, Mozart, and Beethoven, some of the most recognizable music of all of classical classical genre of music. And so I just wanted to go over a few things with you just to touch base this week. We have our, if I can get to it, there we go. We have our week 9 assignments up on the Moodle page. So I just wanted to draw your attention to a couple of things. Everything is due next Tuesday. Make sure you're doing your reading. You only have one Learn Smart. It's over the life of Beethoven. So it should be fairly easy for reading this week. You have 2 Connect assignments for listening. And then make sure that you register on Edpuzzle if you haven't already this week for this extra credit. Make sure that you do that. You can refer back to week 8 for the directions on how to do that. Actually, excuse me, it's late. If you go to edpuzzle.com, you should see a screen that looks something like this. I'm going to log in. You're going to log in as a student. And when you log in as a student, make sure that you log in with your Google account, which is your school email. Okay? So, and that should take you there. On week 8, there was a class code to gain access. So look back at week 8 if you're just unsure. It's right there in the bright letters. Okay? So refer back to week 8 if you still haven't registered for Edpuzzle. I hope you did, so that you can get the extra credit that I'm going to give. And so I just wanted to draw your attention to number 5. There is a Unit 4 review. You're going to need this for your listening portion of your test that starts on Sunday. So make sure that you do that review. It is worth 40 points of your homework. It's not an optional review. Some of my students in the past have thought the reviews were just optional. No, they're to help you get ready for your test. And they're mostly review for listening. Okay? And so we will be listening to the Pathetique Piano Sonata. It's familiar, probably, to many of you. And then Symphony No. 5 by Beethoven, a very, very familiar piece. And week 9 is at the top. So make sure that you are looking at everything, marking things off. If you need to know your progress, I think it is there. The clock. Maybe the calendar will tell you. It'll tell you what's due. I'm looking for the thing that tells you what you have to do. Yeah, this is all my stuff because I don't do these assignments, you do. So if you go under clock, to do, then you'll see if you've finished everything. Some of you are still having a question about that. Okay? I will be spending some time with the gradebook. Make sure you're checking your grades regularly. And I think that's all I need to tell you for now. Make sure you study for your test so that you can do well on it. And make sure you do your test. It opens on Sunday and will close on Tuesday night. So hope you have a great week and a safe Halloween.